Hey everyone, today we're gonna see how to install a washing machine. Firstly, remove the power cord from the back of the washer and place it over the washer console for easy access. Remove the red plastic plug from the drain port, place the clamp on the hose and attach it to the port and tighten it with a wrench. Attach the U-shaped form to the free end of the hose and place it into the standpipe or utility sink. Ensure only about 4.5 inches of the hose is inside the standpipe. Attach the hot and cold water hoses in the respective faucets, tightening by hand and then with pliers. Run water through the hoses into a sink or bucket to clear any clogs and attach the hot and cold hoses to the corresponding inlet valves into the washer, tightening them securely. Use a cable to secure the drain hose to the standpipe, sink leg, or one of the inlet hoses. Use a level to ensure the washer is stable and make sure all 4 feet are firmly in contact with the floor. Also, it's a good idea to replace the inlet hoses every 5 years and inspect them periodically for any signs of damage or leaks. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.